Hey there, it's Dr. Terry Levine, and today I wanted to talk to you about how to use Facebook Messenger to turn conversations into clients. Okay. If you're not using Facebook Messenger to grow your business, you are definitely going to want to take a look at this and really pay attention to what I am sharing with you today. If you don't know me, I'm Dr. Terry Levine, and I'm here to help you in your business. Because if you're not using the DMs correctly, you're literally leaving money on the table. So today I'm going to show you how to turn casual conversations into paying clients. Ready? Let's go. I'm going to show you how I do business heart to heart and have a conveyor belt of prospects every single day. First of all, it begins with authenticity. Start by genuinely connecting. Entrepreneurs connect heart to heart. So we comment on people's posts, we engage with their stories. We actually show that we care before we start DMing people, which is the opposite of what most people do. We're authentic and we're choosing to build a relationship. That's step one. Step number two is open with value. When you message someone, open with something specific like, hey, name, I loved your post about blah, 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 right? It's so relatable. By the way, I also help people in this niche with that problem. Let me know if you want some free tips. Okay. So let me give you a real example of this. I actually saw a post the other day and it was how to monetize YouTube. And it was a great post. So I said, hey, the person's name was Neil. Hey, Neil, I loved your post about monetizing on YouTube. The tips were super great. And 100% that those are tips that people can really apply. In my company, we also take those videos and leverage them to get organic leads every day. If you'd like to see how we do it, let me know. That's it. Step number three is to ask open-ended questions. Keep the conversation flowing with open-ended questions like, hey, what's your biggest challenge with getting leads right now? Or, hey, what are you focusing on this year in your business? What are you going to do in 2025? Number four, and really pay attention here and breathe this in, is to share your offer casually. You wait until you build rapport, though. Okay. Don't just go in there and pitch. And then you can mention how you help someone with a similar challenge. So, literally, I had a conversation this morning and I said, hey, I recently worked with a health and wellness coach who also struggled with having a constant amount of qualified prospects. And I was able to help, in this case, Dr. Polly, achieve a result of consistent lead flow. Would you like to know how? Very simple. And then the fifth step just makes so much sense because we're doing business heart to heart as entrepreneurs is transition slowly to the next step. If they're interested, they're raising their hand, basically saying, I'm interested, guide them to the next step. Now, for some of you or you, it might be joining a program or it might be booking a call. I keep it light and conversational. And I basically say, hey, I've shot a Loom video for you with some details. Can I drop it? It could be I have a Google Doc or a Notion with some details. Can I drop it? Or when's a good time to chat? Whatever that is. What I really want you to take in from these 5 tips, because these things work and bring me leads every day, is being authentic, opening with value, asking open-ended questions, sharing your offer casually, and then the fifth step is transitioning very smoothly to the next step. So what I hope you're taking away from this today is Messenger is not a chat tool, not the way I use it. It's a connection tool, doing business heart to heart. Start conversations, build relationships, watch your business grow. If you need help, feel free to reach out and message me.